Paul, the British Stainless Steel Association organizes conferences from time to promote the use of stainless steel. This time you've chosen the subject of architecture, building and infrastructure. Yes. Why this topic?
That's a good question. We do, you are correct, we do hold conferences from time to time. Our most recent one was 3 years ago in Sheffield in 2013, and that was an event which celebrated the birth of stainless steel 100 years previously. The theme of this particular conference was chosen for a number of reasons. The primary objective of our organisation is to grow the use of stainless steel in the UK, and clearly global forces have changed the landscape over recent years. Manufacturing has moved to different places around the world, and for example cutlery, which was the first commercial usage of stainless steel in Sheffield, is virtually no longer made in the UK. You could say the same perhaps about pots and pans and even sinks, those kinds of products which are large consumers of stainless steel. That having been said, if we want to make an impact in the UK on the amount of stainless steel that is being used, then it's important that we focus in an area that has opportunities. We chose a general theme of urbanisation. Urbanisation is a global trend where more people are moving to live in cities away from villages, and with that and the emergence of new huge metropolises, we get the opportunity to see that stainless steel will be used in infrastructure, architecture, building structures as well. And that increased consumption is what we're looking for in the UK. But in order to get that, we need to get people to understand the benefits of stainless steel, how cost effective it is, how it can be designed into projects, and some of the beautiful projects that have been made in stainless steel. So we chose it for that primary reason, because we can make a difference in the UK and increase consumption of stainless steel in this sector.
And how is this theme reflected in the conference program? Can you tell us more about the program?
I can, yes. The program directly reflects the theme of architecture, building and construction and infrastructure. The sessions are broken into some very specific areas, such as the facades of buildings. We have a speaker talking about new facades in the USA, which are absolutely beautiful and very innovative in their use of stainless steel. We also have speakers talking about the structural elements of stainless steel, and also stainless steel in infrastructure, and even some parts of it are about building products that are used in building new structures as well.
And are speakers only from the UK or also from further afield?
No, not at all. In fact, whilst there are, of course, speakers from the UK, we have speakers from North America, from South America, and from across continental Europe as well. So we've been very lucky to gather together a number of people with great experience to come and talk to people about how they have used stainless steel and some of the new work that's going on that can be used in the future.
Are there any other aspects of the conference that you would like to mention?
I think the conferences that we hold turn into rather useful networking opportunities for the industry. And again, this is one of our objectives as the Trade Association for people in the UK stainless steel supply chain. We would tend to organise dinners at the same time as a conference, a gala dinner, usually in between 2 days of a conference. That's a fantastic opportunity for people who might not normally meet producers or processors or distributors of the metal to get together and spend some time socially together. We also usually have an exhibition alongside a conference, and that again provides sponsors and those who wish to take exhibition space with an opportunity to show what they do, which is specific to the theme of the conference.
Finally, besides organizing events like this one, what is the BSSA's main mission?
The BSSA was founded many years ago, 15 years ago, and it was originally the Stainless Steel Fabricators Association, and this grew into the wider association that we have today. Our founding principles were that we would focus on help and advice, training and education, and industry events which are aligned to market development. Those three things cover virtually all of the work we do. Help and advice is through our Stainless Steel Advisory Service, which is our technical advisor is on call for members free of charge with any queries that they may have about the use of stainless steel. But also new users can call that service and find out the answers to any specific questions they have. We also have a website which is currently receiving around 2 million hits per year, which has a vast array of technical information gathered over those 15 years for people to access online and download. Our secondary main target is education and training, and we run training courses across the UK. We do bespoke training courses for people in-house as well. We run seminars and forums, for example on CE marking and for fabricators also. There's an array of different presentations which we have, which all run along that training and education route. We also run a distance learning specialist course for people who can learn by distance at their own pace as well. We've talked about events and conferences, but the first two were where we were founded, and that's help and advice, training and education, all designed to try and make sure that people understand the product, how to use it, which grades to buy, which surface finishes to use, and which service environments they work best in. And if we can make sure that users have positive outcomes from their projects, then that will help the industry to grow in the future.